Here at home, we could know as early as next week whether the Fulton County DA will seek indictments against Mr. Trump and his allies in their efforts to overturn his 2020 election loss here in Georgia.
DA Fani Willis is widely expected to bring state racketeering or RICO charges against the former president and others in his inner circle. Fox 5's Christopher King talks with legal experts about the challenges that could present.
The DA already has one racketeering trial going on here at Fulton County Court. A potential RICO case against a former president presents all sorts of other challenges in uncharted waters.
Every time you get indicted, I like to check the polls.
Fulton County DA Fani Willis, as early as next week, could file RICO charges against former President Donald Trump.
One more indictment.
The RICO statute in Georgia is a prosecutor's best friend.
Tom Church is a trial lawyer. He says Georgia's racketeering statute lets prosecutors do things they normally can't.
It's got a longer statute of limitations. It has more increased penalties with a mandatory minimum of 5 years in prison. It lets you get in hearsay evidence and all other kinds of evidence that you normally wouldn't be able to get into.
But RICO cases also present unique challenges.
A Trump prosecution in Fulton County would present a lot of obstacles, some of the same kind of obstacles you see in the Young Slime Life trial.
Willis is already embroiled in another RICO case, the Young Thug YSL trial. That one has lasted since January, and not one juror has been seated.
Not only are you dealing with a big sprawling case that's going to take a long time and jurors aren't going to want to be stuck in a courtroom for a month plus, but you have the political component. Jury selection is going to last a long time and going to be very difficult.
We could be looking at a year or two to even select a jury.
Darrell Cohen is a former Fulton County Assistant District Attorney.
This will be a big, unwieldy case.
The DA, like in the YSL trial, could charge numerous defendants, and that could create numerous complications.
We've got so many lawyers that each lawyer has his or her client to protect. And there are obviously differences between the defenses, between the various people who are going to be charged.
Cohen says it could take more than a year to sort out a potential trial. At Fulton County Courthouse, Christopher King, Fox 5 News.
Right now, there are barricades and a roadblock on Pryor Street set up outside the courthouse. In addition to the Fulton County Sheriff's Office, Atlanta police say they are prepared to assist with public safety if needed.